When I look at the protests here Ghana for the past 3 days or 4 days, it's about 4 days now. If you look at the protests here, one day I bunu, Igbo bunu, but it can't do without us. Guess what? I can't do without us. We are salt. I bunu. Without anything you cook without salt cannot work out. So whether you take it or leave it, you can't do without. Nigerians cannot do without Igbo. They can never do without Igbo. We are the salt. And no matter what you cook, no matter the ingredients you put in any meal, without salt it cannot work. If you are cooking anything, whatever you are cooking, for that thing to be favorite, for that thing to be sweet, for that thing to make sense, one need get in NNU. Oh, Igbo. So if you only have thought on an Igbo, when you have this in work, you must put it salt. And Igbo salt, Igbo, you can't do without us. You can't do without Igbo. Look at the process now. How far? It's like 4 days now, nothing they happen. How far? I'm not saying that the people that are protesting that are stupid, no. But without us, the thing is not going well. Look at NSAS now. You know as they be now. When NSAS day, nothing like Igbo, nothing like Hausa, nothing like Yoruba. Everything is flowing very well. But although like that now. So that is for you to know that now. Without us, this country cannot do. They can't survive. Forget about all the sentiments they are doing. If they feel that they can survive, let them leave us, allow us to go. But it is not possible for them. They can't do it. They will tell us that we are not able to rule, but we are able to protest. That's why we are not protesting. If you can't rule, we can't protest. What are we protesting for? Can you hear Igbo protest? I keep on telling people that Igbo bunu. If I bunu, without you know what if you may see, you can't see anything, you can't cook anything without salt. You cannot cook anything. We are salt of this nation, whether they take it or whether they like it or not. Whether they take it or not, we are salt of this nation. One no one rotate on each other so. One rotate on each other so. We are if I go, without us they can't do anything. Without us, they lose their taste and their value. I want to be able after the taste. I want to be able after the aroma of any miracle. We are sort of the nation. If we are now, look at the way the protest is going. Or that guy no more, it took us a gun. Or that like inside. Everything now turned upside down because Igbo people are not involved. And people are still complaining, why are we not involved? If we come out to do the protest, problem are there. Before by now, open on the book, I can never go, brutalize their people, never do to them mother. So I'm going to use Yaka and attack Igbo for this particular one. I'm going to use the brain here. So I'm thank God we behave like, oh, I don't know, I go fool. So that is it. Igbo be here. And look at if you get him with something, it's just that they don't want to give us the power. They don't want us to rule. But if you check out what is happening in the country today, you will notice that now only the Igbo man that will put this country in order. Check out now. Check our people outside, out of the country. Look at Philip Remagwale, computer scientist. Look at our mommy, she's doing very well. Look at our sister, Chiamanda Adiche. She's doing very well. So what are we saying? Something will be happening. And only Igbo that thing. Go and verify. So Barulu, if I give Chineke a lie. So whether they like it or not, we are sort of this nation. We are sort of the world. Not even only this nation. We are sort of Africa.